So, hello traders, very good morning to everyone who joined the video. And today is my birthday, and I don't have any plans to be honest. I haven't decided on what I'm gonna do today, but let's talk about this setup. I'm not gonna go in detail, but there was some unemployment claims on the USD pair. This is basically the GBP USD, and we ran out this high, but I entered on directly before the news, so I got stopped out. And what we could have done over here is we could have waited for this to form an optimal trade entry and then entered after the high impact news has hit the marketplace. So that is something we would consider in the later place from the next week. And also I'm trying to learn this market, so it's okay. I might fail for some days, for some months, but eventually I'm gonna pass. So that's what I'm trying to do over here. I'm documenting my journey. So from Monday, actually my laptop and the MacBook will not delivered by today, which I thought would be delivered by today. So it might take some 3 or 4 days. So we might delay the live stream for the whole day. So we might delay it, and we might be just streaming the New York session until and unless I receive my MacBook from Amazon. So I will look on to that. But the main thing over here I made this video is talking about something not giving up when you're a trader. So for me, it's been 4 years in the markets, and I've told you earlier I'm not profitable. I don't want to lie. I don't want to be that guru on the internet which says I know everything and who makes a lot of money from courses. I'm not a profitable trader right now, but the only goal is to be a profitable trader as soon as possible. So I'm trying to be that one. I'm trying to be disciplined. I'm trying to document my whole journey. So for that, from Monday we're gonna start what I would say is I'm gonna start a playlist where I'm gonna make a demo account, because this one I've been indisciplined on this. So I'm gonna make a demo account where I'm gonna set the balance to $100K, and then we're gonna be aiming for $8,000 on that particular account through a span of the period of time. And we're gonna have the 8% drawdown limit as well, but I'm not gonna go to the 8% drawdown. If we go to the 4% drawdown, I'm gonna cut off the account. So I'm gonna be a bit, if we reach out to the 4% drawdown limit, I'm gonna throw off the account. And if we're gonna reach to the 8% target, then yes, absolutely we have passed the account. I'm not currently looking onto the phase 2 because I'm gonna be risking very less, around 0.25, 0.5%, 1%. We'll look into that. But look at this for a moment. Look at this for a moment. This looks nice, right? So I'm gonna be risking very less on that, and I would just make a playlist for that. That is would be around 100K, 8K phase 1 demo challenge. That would be a playlist, and all my streams would be inside that. So once I pass that thing with the $8,000 target and the $4,000 maximum drawdown, if I pass that thing, then I am gonna absolutely move on to a real funded challenge account which I'm gonna buy from somewhere, and I can't reveal it live, right? Or I might get the account banned for myself. So I'm not gonna reveal it. I'm just gonna trade it over here, but I'm not gonna reveal my account balance. I will absolutely reveal it from my paper trading accounts, but that would be not possible on that account. So I will do that for that, and we'll try to make some money on that. On the phase 1 and phase 2, will document the whole fucking journey. And when the phase 1 is cleared on the real money on the challenge account, we're gonna be moving on to the phase 2, and we're gonna be making a new playlist for that, and but keep making different playlists for different accounts. So everything will be documented, and we'll have a set of videos and set of playlists where we can see how many attempts we take to pass that challenge. And same goes for paper trading as well. Paper trading, we're gonna keep it like phase 1, that is 8% target and 4% drawdown. If we fail for the first time, we're gonna make another playlist, and then we're gonna try it for the second time, then the third time, then the fourth time, and we'll keep trying. That is the thing, main over you. We will be persistent. And persistent means, let's say, I would take an example. Let's say you are in a journey and you have been trading for 3-4 years and you are not profitable. Let's say 3 years, you are not profitable yet, and you are kind of struggling in this process. But the moment you become a profitable trader, you take out some payouts, you move to Dubai or something, you'll have a different kind of feeling, right? You went through all those struggles to get there, you went through all those difficulties to get there. It related very nicely. But consider a person who started trading today. He has the help of a very nice individual who's a profitable trader. So what is gonna do? He might pass the challenge in a month or so. The other person might help him passing that challenge. So what did he learn over there? He might he might not face those challenges, right? If that person is helping him, he might not face those challenges. He might not enjoy the fucking journey, which is required to become a great individual. So when you become a great trader on yourself, on your own, and a fucking 3-4 years, 2 years, 1 year, 2 year, 3 or 4 years, the amount of struggle you have done, it makes you kind of a different person who can take on everything in your fucking life. But if you're a kind of individual who was helped by somebody and you become a very profitable trader in a month or so, you won't enjoy the success as much as the person who enjoys it, who gets it after the 4 or 5 year span of time, because he has went through those struggles which you haven't. And it builds your character basically. All the success, when you get that, it builds up your ego. You would say that was very easy for me, that is very easy, I can do it very easily. But when it takes years of your life, years of your life, you went through all those nights where you had just yourself, you're losing accounts, losing challenges, losing money, nothing worked for you, you're in an absolute drawdown, nobody believed in you, everyone was saying you should try something else, this thing would not work for you, this is gambling, you should try a better career option, preferably a job where you're gonna get a fixed amount of money in your bank by the end of the month and you can meet your ends. So that is something I don't believe in that. What I believe is, I believe in myself, and I don't think I want anybody else to believe in me. That's what I believe. What I believe in what I believe in is basically enough for me to believe in myself, and that is enough. It might take a year or two, but let me tell you, when I'm coming for it, I'm gonna be coming for it, and I don't give up. I don't fucking give up, and you should also not fucking give up. Because if you give up, what else has to your life? Like, if you don't have any, the only purpose you had was to become a profitable trader, you spent 1, 2, 3, 4 years for that, and eventually you fail and you give up. You said no, this is very hard for me. You start making excuses. Like, this thing is particularly gambling. So there are many swing traders out there who were basically intraday trading, but they failed in that thing. So they kind of say now intraday trading is kind of gambling. But there are traders as well who are making money with the intraday trading as well, right? You know that as well. There are many traders on the Twitter X which post daily trades. Like, after trades they post on the certificates payouts as well. So many people went through those phases, like where they had nothing worked in front of them, nothing was working for them, everything was going south, and they stopped believing in themselves and they gave up and they see it doesn't work. And if you want to be that kind of person, go ahead. But by the end of your life, when you're 50 or 60, you're gonna obviously regret it. If I had just given 1 or 2 more years, a complete dedication of my life to that particular skill, I would have made it. I would have fucking made it, and I would be somewhere else. There's a very nice quote, something like this, like, what would be your biggest regret on your deathbed? So if you give up on trading now and you are not persistent enough, I think that would be your greatest regret in your fucking life, because you had the fucking opportunity, you just had to do the work and you avoided it. As simple as that. But it's not like there is not a single person who is succeeding in this particular skill. There are many people who are succeeding in this. So if they can do it, what's the issue with you? You can do as well, right? You're a human. If he breathes oxygen, by Conor McGregor, if he breathes oxygen, then obviously you can do that as well. Because he breathes oxygen, right? That individual is not a god or something. Let me tell you, if you give up, if you give your everything you have, if you like literally try whatever you do, literally try, and I'm trying right now. I'm gonna try for the next fucking 1 year. Whatever I have, I'm gonna try it with. So if you do that, it's kind of impossible to fail. That's how it works. If you try something with your wholeheartedness, it's literally impossible to fail. You can't fucking fail. You can't. That doesn't happen like that. You just gotta try it to the utmost limit. Do it to the utmost limit where you can make fucking $1,000,000 in a day. It's not about the money. It's about the skill. This is the hardest skill in this fucking world. You need to control your emotions. This makes you emotionally intelligent. You can take any fucking loss in your life, materialistic, any person can leave you, but you would still be a very normal human being and you'll be still able to maintain your calm. So obviously this is gonna be tough. If you think this is gonna be easy, then this is not for you. This is really fucking tough. I've been in the 4 years in the market and there have been some days where I think, why isn't it working for me? But the answer to that is, you gotta be stay persistent and be patient. Give your everything you got and be patient with it. Things will work out for you, but you need to be patient. So that was the main thing today, was talking about persistence. Things are gonna work out for me eventually. I know it. I have 100% confidence in it. Even if the world says you're not gonna become a good trader, I'm gonna fucking say on the face that shut the fuck up. I'm gonna be the one. You can be the one as well. I'm not demotivating you or something. I'm just motivating you. I want you to be successful, just like me, who wants to be successful. You can be the one as well. I'll see you in a year or two. The YouTube channel is gonna be fucking growing. I'm gonna be a very great trader. And I'm gonna be still streaming, still making money, still making millions of dollars. And I'll see you there. Right now, I'm blowing fucking accounts. But it doesn't matter to me, because I know what I'm worth of. I know what my life path is. I know what I can fucking make out of this. So I'll see you tomorrow. Not tomorrow. I'll see you in the New York session. And then after, I'll see you in the Monday session. If my laptop gets delivered, I'm gonna be streaming the London session and the New York session as well. Or until then, I'm just gonna be trading the New York session. So see you. Have a great day and have a nice weekend as well. Good luck trading.